There's a difference between doing something that we really love to do and doing something just because everyone else is doing it. Over millions and millions of engineers are literally manufactured in universities all over the world, supplied with only theoretical learning and no real substance. And when they leave college and go to the real world, they settle for mediocre jobs. But what if you grow up doing something different? Seeing everything technically, how it works, and develop a deep understanding and passion for engineering fundamentals. Wouldn't this mold you into a future innovator? How far can you go? Robotics and automation is the future, and that's not even a bit of hyperbole. Robotics and IoT will be integrated into nearly every aspect of most people's daily lives, from farming to space exploration. And with SPRW, you will be part of this revolution. Our products help you to get the hands-on experience on all the latest technologies with an ease of learning them from anywhere and anytime. And with this first-hand experience, you will be able to analyze your strengths and choose your path wisely. With SPRW, sky is the limit. Now, what are you waiting for? Discover your strengths, showcase your talents, and become the future innovator. Join the SPRW Tech community.